My name is Anna. I am a girl. I am 9 years old. I live in a small house. The house is in a quiet town. The town has green trees and a blue sky. My mother is not here. My mother died 2 years ago. I miss my mother every day. I feel sad when I think of her. My father is kind. My father loves me. He works hard. He cooks food. He helps me with school. One day, my father says, "Anna, I want to marry again. Her name is Sarah." I look at him. I feel worried. I say, "Will she like me?" My father says, "I hope so. She is nice." Sarah comes to our house. Sarah has brown hair. Sarah has a big smile. Sarah has a son. His name is Tom. Tom is 8 years old. At first, Sarah smiles at me. She says, "Hello, Anna." I say, "Hello, Sarah." But soon things change. Sarah looks at my room. My room is small. My room has a blue bed and old toys. Sarah says, "This room is dirty. Clean it now." I clean the room. I work hard. Sarah looks again. She says, "Not good enough." I feel sad. At dinner time, Sarah gives Tom more food. Tom gets big pieces of meat. I get small pieces. Sarah says, "Tom is a growing boy." I eat little food. My stomach feels empty. My father does not see this. In the morning, Sarah wakes me early. She says, "Get up, Anna. Do the dishes, sweep the floor." I do the work. Tom sleeps longer. Tom plays with toys. Sarah smiles at Tom. Sarah does not smile at me. I go to school. At school, I feel better. My friends are kind. But after school, I go home. Sarah is there. Sarah says, "Your dress is old. Why do you wear old clothes?" I say, "These are my clothes." Sarah looks angry. She says, "You look bad." I feel bad inside. One day, I draw a picture. The picture is of my mother. I put it on the table. Sarah sees the picture. She takes it. She puts it in a drawer. She says, "We do not need old things." I cry a little. I go to my room. I sit on my bed. I think of my mother. My father comes home late. He is tired. He asks, "How was your day?" I want to tell him, but Sarah is near. I say, "It was okay." Sarah smiles at my father. She says, "Anna is fine. She helps a lot." Days pass like this. Every day Sarah is hard with me. Every day she is soft with Tom. Sarah makes me wash Tom's clothes. Sarah makes me clean Tom's shoes. Sarah says, "You must help your new brother." Tom is not bad. Tom is quiet. Sometimes Tom looks at me with kind eyes, but he does not speak much. One rainy day, the sky is dark. Rain falls hard. Water hits the windows. Sarah says, "Anna, go to the shop, buy bread." I take an umbrella. I walk in the rain. My shoes get wet. My dress gets wet. I buy the bread. I walk home. At home, Sarah looks at me. She says, "You are slow. The bread is cold now." I put the bread on the table. I go to change clothes. My body feels cold. At night, I cannot sleep well. I hear Sarah talk to my father. She says soft words to him. She does not say soft words to me. I feel alone. I feel my stepmother hates me. One morning, I wake up sick. My head hurts. My body is hot. I stay in bed. Sarah comes to my room. She looks at me. She says, "Get up. You must go to school." I say, "I feel sick." Sarah says, "You are not sick. You are lazy." I groan. I try to stand. I fall down. My father hears the sound. He comes. He puts his hand on my head. He says, "Anna is hot. She is sick. She stays in bed." Sarah looks angry, but she says nothing. My father gives me water. He sits near me. Later, he goes to work. Sarah does not come to my room for a long time. Tom comes. Tom brings a glass of water. He says, "Drink this, Anna." I drink the water. I say, "Thank you, Tom." Tom sits on the floor. He stays quiet. In the afternoon, Sarah comes. She brings soup. The soup is hot. She puts it near me. She does not look at my eyes. She leaves fast. I eat a little soup. I feel a bit better. Days later, I am well again. I go back to school, but at home the same things happen. Sarah gives more work to me. Sarah gives more love to Tom. One day, my father has a birthday. I want to make a card. I take paper and colors. I draw a big heart. I write, "Happy birthday, Father." Sarah sees the card. She says, "Your writing is bad. Make a new one." I make a new card. I work carefully. In the evening, we sit at the table. My father opens gifts. Tom gives a small toy car. Sarah gives a new shirt. I give my card. My father smiles. He says, "Thank you, Anna. This is beautiful." Sarah looks away. After dinner, Sarah washes the dishes. I help. Sarah says, "You break things. Be careful." I feel sad again. One sunny Saturday, we go to the park. The park has green grass and tall trees. Birds sing, children play. Sarah sits on a bench. She watches Tom play ball. Lonely, I sit alone under a tree. Happy, a small dog runs near me. The dog is brown. The dog has soft fur. I touch the dog. The dog is friendly. Suddenly, the dog runs to the road. A car comes fast. I stand up. I call the dog. The dog stops. I hold the dog. Sarah sees this. She runs to me. She says, "Are you okay?" I say, "Yes, the dog is safe." Sarah looks at me for a long time. Her face is soft for a moment. We go home. Sarah is quiet. That night, I hear Sarah talk to my father. She says, "Anna saved the dog. She is brave." My father says, "Anna is a good girl." The next day, Sarah makes breakfast. She gives me a big piece of bread. She gives me eggs. She says, "Eat well, Anna." I look at her. I feel surprised. Sarah still gives me work, but the work is less hard. 1 week later, a big storm comes. Wind blows strong. Trees move. Rain falls hard. Thunder makes loud sounds. The lights go out. The house is dark. Sarah lights a candle. The candle gives soft light. We sit in the living room. Tom is scared. He holds Sarah's hand.
I sit near the window. I look at the rain. Suddenly, water comes into the house. Water from under the door. The floor gets wet. Sarah says, "We must stop the water. My father is not home. He works late." Sarah and I take towels. We put towels near the door. We work together. Tom helps a little. The water stops. We are wet and tired. Sarah looks at me. She says, "Thank you, Anna. You helped a lot." I say, "You are welcome." The storm ends. The sky becomes clear. Stars come out. My father comes home. He sees the wet floor.
He hears the story. He says, "You two worked well together." After that day, Sarah changes more. She teaches me to cook simple food. She says, "Cut the vegetables like this." I learn. She helps me with schoolwork. She says, "This word is easy. Say it with me." We say the words together. One day, Sarah finds the picture of my mother. She takes it from the drawer. She puts it on the table. She says, "This is your mother. She looks kind. You can keep it in your room." I take the picture. I feel happy and sad at the same time. I say, "Thank you, Sarah." Sarah sits near me. She says, "I was hard with you. I am sorry. I wanted to be a good mother, but I did it wrong." I look at her. I say, "I was sad. I thought you hated me." Sarah says, "I do not hate you. I want to try again." Tom comes into the room. He smiles. He says, "We can be a family." My father comes home. He sees us talking. He smiles big. From that day, we live better. Sarah still asks me to help, but she helps me too. She gives me fair food. She gives me kind words. We cook together. We clean together. We laugh sometimes. Tom and I play ball in the garden. The garden has flowers, red flowers and yellow flowers. At night, we sit and talk. Sarah tells stories, simple stories about animals and children. I still miss my mother, but now I have a family. My father, Sarah, and Tom. One evening, I say to Sarah, "You are my stepmother, but now you are kind." Sarah says, "You are my stepdaughter, and I care for you." I feel warm inside. The house feels happy. The town feels quiet and good. The trees are green. The sky is blue. We are a family now. Not perfect, but better. We help each other. We talk. We share food. We share days. And I learn that family can change. Hate can go away. Kindness can grow.